Hello everyone, how are you all? I'm so thrilled to see you all again. If you are new to my channel, you are most welcome, and if you are belong to my family, you're welcome back. And I hope everything is going perfect, and thank you so much for watching my previous video. So now today we are going to do two things. First of all, we will visit Al Baik. Okay, so Al Baik is a Saudi Arabia's favorite fast food chain is finally in Dubai, amid UAE. Okay, and the second thing is that we are going to meet one of the famous personality from South India, Kerala. He's a traveler. So stay tuned, guys. While entering to the mall, let's talk about this parking system. Outside the mall, there is a lot of luxurious cars are there parked. I was amazed. Only luxurious cars are here. Then I got to know that there's a two kind of parking system: VIP parking and normal parking. Okay, so VIP parking charges is 210 dirham. Oh my god, which is gonna be like 4,100 rupees Indian money if I'm saying. And again, the normal parking is 105 dirham, which is again come 2,050 rupees. Like that's also expensive for us. I'm like, oh my god, that's why only this luxurious cars are here outside, because these rich people, they are paying that much amount to park their car outside the mall. Okay, so we are going inside, and there is a inside mall parking which is absolutely free. So we park our car in free because we should save money wherever is possible. That's what I believe. That's Al Big, famous restaurant here in Dubai Mall inside. Its main branch is in Saudi Arabia. This is the branch, but it is just famous. Let's go and check. Alright, so you can see the line over there. People are in queue. Like everybody is coming here just to get the first taste of this Al Baik food, which is very much trending over here in Dubai right now. And because it is why trending, because for the first time they open their outlet of the kingdom in Dubai, that is inside the Dubai Mall. Like it's food court section in Dubai Mall. So it's just trending here. Like people are coming and just waiting. They are in queue and waiting there for more than 30 minutes or 40 minutes. How long this queue will take, God knows. So only to get that first taste. So you all can see this one. Alright, so two friend of mine is in this queue. They are like just now get in the queue. So till they reach to the chicken, what we can do? We'll just do time pass. Okay, we'll just roam around here nearby. In Dubai Mall, there's a lot of beautiful places, the water fountain and aquarium and more beautiful things, beautiful places there. But Right now, we are only crazed for this chicken thing. No? So instead of roaming around there of other places, let's just be concentrated in this lower ground food court area itself. We'll just do a little bit of time pass here, okay? Till the chicken came, anyway. Alright, so this is the Alvek special. This food is very much special here. You can see the guys. You saw the line there. We were coming here to eat this one. It's actually chicken nuggets. Let me check how it is. Guys, so it's not that expensive also. It's like pocket friendly, you can say. This per box, we have 10 pieces nuggets and its cost is 15 dirham. And here sitting arrangement outside is there. Open space, you can sit here and eat and enjoy with your friend. Alright friends, so food was very tasty and we packed some more food from there, and now we are going to meet that famous personality which I was talking about initially. You all may know about him. He is none other than Mallu Traveler. He is travel across the world and this is his house which he built through YouTube revenue. He has a million subscriber in his channel. If you didn't know about him, you can go and check his channel. He is known as Mallu Traveler. So we'll meet him today and we'll just have a little chit chat. So let's go and meet him. Destination. This view you can see, it's a very beautiful view here in Dubai. It's Mamjar Beach. It's called Mamjar Beach, and here this is a restaurant, small restaurant is there, which is very famous here again. And this is the view. Beaches here, people are coming and sitting and enjoy. This guy is travel across the world. So how is the experience?
Yeah, experience is nice.
Yeah. Alright, so far, how many countries you have been traveled? 35 countries. Oh my god. Alright, so have you ever been to Northeast Arunachal Pradesh?
Yes, I was, yeah.
Okay, you have been to Arunachal?
Yeah, 2018.
Oh, okay, 2018. Okay, how was the experience? How was the Arunachal?
I stayed around 2-3 days. That was nice, yeah. Completely different,
okay.
like not like other states in India. It's completely different.
Alright, so Arunachal, you have been to Itanagar?
I don't remember the place. I was on the way to More in Khal.
Okay.
So from
In
there
Khal.
I went around 1 or 2 days. Yeah.
Okay. Alright. So what's your next plan? Where you are planning to travel?
I'm going to Ukraine day after tomorrow. From there I
day
will
after
be
tomorrow?
back to Dubai soon, and I will plan to next time.
Okay, wow. Very great to meet you. And I just wanted you to tell my friends that like give your wishes to them.
Hey guys, how are you? How are you? Everything is so yeah. Be happy always. That's my caption.
Thank you so much. Thank you. You're so kind and humble.
Hey, it's okay.
And like too much famous person, but still.
No, I'm not a famous person.
Famous
Don't worry.
personality,
No,
but
no,
still
it's
you're
my
so
profession
kind.
that I'm doing. YouTube is like my profession, you know. So
Yeah.
I'm just doing my work. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a traveler. Bye.
Alright, so let's add a little more about him. This guy, Mallu Traveler, He is travel Kerala to Kashmir right through scooter. He covered like 2,580 kilometer by scooter. Okay, and one more insane thing is that he traveled Kerala to Europe ride on TBS Apache. So this is the like which is very make him very much unique and famous. He's a travel blogger and most subscribed bloggers. I have observed a very unique thing here in UAE, that is like people are too much having chai here, like when some friends are saying let's go out, we usually we what we do, we'll just go out, roam around or eat something like this is a normal thing which we do, right? In UAE people are going out only to have chai. Having food also, that's exceptional, but this chai thing is too much famous here. Like everybody, this Arabic people are like they are very much fond of chai, and apart from other people also, like us also, we are like, we also have chai, no doubt, but not that much. But after coming here, it's become like too much. Every time we are only talking about chai. We'll go and have chai, let's go and have chai, like kind of things. Actually usually we have chai in our home also, right? But still this things is very much unique here, which I observe past few years.
So once again, nice to meet you, Mr. Traveler. Thank you so much.
Alright, so I just want to say quick thanks to my friend who DM'd me about this Albaik blog. He was giving idea about this thing. So thank you so much, my buddy. So same like this time. I hope next time also you will help me like this. And friend of mine, those who are watching me right now, those who are watching my videos, please give a suggestion. If you have any ideas, you can give me in comment section below. Otherwise, you can DM me on Instagram as well. So I hope you all like my videos. So consider subscribe my channel. Do like, share and comments. So I will see you again next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.